If you're a competitive athlete, this is how you need to train to maximize your performance. I've coached thousands of athletes across every sport from youth to college to pro. I've spent my entire career researching what actually goes into developing athletic performance and testing these methods on real athletes every single day. Using top-of-the-line sports science technology, I track my athletes' performance on a daily basis, so I know what works and what doesn't work based on an athlete's strengths, weaknesses, and underlying physiology. No guessing, just hard data. The Ultimate Athlete is everything that I found most effective built into one strength program. A complete strength and power development system designed to make you bigger, stronger, and more explosive. Mobility and recovery work that actually transfers and supports your performance. Challenging your movement capacity, improving tissue health, and reducing injury risk. This program is not a PDF you download and forget. Everything is accessed through your phone and includes hundreds of detailed demo videos, in-depth coaching notes, and exercise alternatives so the program adapts to you. And you get access to the program group chat where you can ask questions and get feedback directly from me throughout the program. Your athletic career won't last forever. Stop running outdated programs and start training like it matters. Become the Ultimate Athlete.